Everything looks perfect on the screen, the video is playing, the picture is clear, but there is no audio at all. That's usually when screen mirroring gets confusing because it feels like it's working, just not completely. This happens a lot when the video transfers, but the sound stays behind on the original device. Screen mirroring doesn't always move both video and audio together unless the output settings are correct. Sometimes your phone or laptop is still sending sound to its own speakers or headphones instead of the TV. Other times, the TV volume is low or muted without it being obvious. There are also situations where the connection type limits audio transfer or the app you're using doesn't support sound through mirroring. So instead of assuming something is broken, it's about checking where the audio is being directed. These are the fixes. 1. Check your device's audio output and make sure it's set to the TV. 2. Increase volume on both your TV and your phone or laptop. 3. Disconnect any Bluetooth headphones or speakers from your device. 4. Restart screen mirroring and reconnect again. Number 5. Make sure both devices are connected to the same network. 6. Update your device software if audio still doesn't transfer.